Hi everyone, and thank you for your introduction. The aim of this study is evaluate the effect of gantry angulation in scanning techniques like spiral versus sequential and barium eye shielding on radiation dose to the eye lens during head CT examinations. Was used 10 TLDs, a somaton emulsion 16 slices, a phantom atom, and a barium shield of gray shield. Was made 3 exposures by TLD, and final the average. These are the parameters used in the examination. Here you have an idea of the degrees used, the 12, 0 that corresponding the orbital metal line as reference, minus 12 degrees, and at least minus 22 degrees. The spiral, again, was made the spiral and sequential techniques with and without barium shields. Here you can see the positions that TLD in left eye. Here the protection, and here different scouts obtained. In results, the entrance skin dose in eye lens in the different combinations. You can see here that sequential with 0 degrees obtained the higher values. And spiral and sequential with protection represents similar values. This represents a reduction 15%, with 0 and sequential minus 21%, 15, 17, and last 15. The sequential with minus 12 degrees represent the lower values of those. In terms of effective dose in eye lens, here you can see in sequential 0 degrees without protection, the value was 0.43 millisieverts. Is higher value, although below the dose threshold. And with sequential and minus 12 degrees obtained 0.29 millisieverts. Discussion. An ASD reduction range in 15 to 21 was verified in all configurations with barium shields. This author verified a reduction of 37, is a little higher. The sequential scan presents higher values than spiral, with or without protection. This Batista in 2011 see that the eye lens is continually irradiated despite the back scattered of radiation. The gantry field between 10 and 12 degrees shows higher values in ASD eye lens. In comparison, one head CT equivalues at 2 millisieverts. In general, the reduction between without and with protection was 0.09 millisieverts. This equals 5 radiographers of skull PA. So these results may use it to provide more adequate procedures and to ensure that protocols are operated safely below thresholds. Tilting the gantry to avoid the orbits and using the barium eye shielding are effective measures for reducing radiation dose to the eye lens in clinical practice. These actions should be considered when they are consistent with the clinical task and patient anatomy. These are the references. Thank you for attention. You are welcome to visit Algarve in Portugal.